of the train tracks.
Catapult.
Skateboard, catapult. Mine's better.
Stop.
Who said
Yes.
that?
I will. I know about this guy.
Skateboard.
Hi, mother. Ha! Ha!
I think it works.
It's not working.
Mom! Oh wait. Other mom!
Maybe. Go on.
Who told you could talk? You're a cheetah. You're a cheetah.
You cheater.
Who told you could talk? Who knew cheetahs can talk? This must be
Dora messed up the world. So did Diego. Diego said cheetahs can talk. Diego go said cheetahs can talk.
Because cheetahs can't talk.
Yeah, but Diego go said, no, I'm going to have a dumb fat cheetah that can talk. No. Let's go walk. Walking down. No. Oh, what? Wait, where's the right way?
Todo este camino vamos a caminar hasta que salgamos de
Pero los cholos.
No, no hacen nada. Vaya, porque tenemos Juan y pistolas. No, ellos no hacen nada.
Let's try to look for some boats for the train tracks. Where you going, Eric? Where you going?
The right way.
Is that puke?
What?
Let's find out.
Is it puke?
I don't even know.
Stepping in puke.
Stepping in the white stuff.
Oh,
Let's
snaps.
look for some boats. For the train tracks.
Looks like someone already took out two right there.
Two.
I just kicked part of a car. I can smell them smoking from all the way over here.
Can't find any bolts. Ooh, a long stick.
Oh, a bolt!
Ooh, this one looks nice.
I'll look on this.
Oh, leave it there. Ooh, this one looks like it's ready to come out.
Mount Hoels.
I know.
Why did you leave it there?
No, my mom's gonna get it. Ooh, this looks like a heart.
Yeah, dumbass, and it's a good board.
I know, I'm not gonna lose it.
Oh, a piece of wood. Look at this piece of wood. Yeah.
Oh!
Walking on the train tracks, the ladies are a looking.
Oh, this one looks like it's about to come out.
Let me see. Ah, fudge nuggets.
Hey, Mickey Mouse. Nothing, huh?
Classy.
Well,
It does not say the word right there.
a beehive
Where?
right there.
Beehive.
Smush the beehive. Let's go touch it.
My friend Samier here, he's making a YouTube video also. Right here.
Let's go touch the beehive.
Oh, you dumbass. Oh, let's hit it with a stick.
That's a sombrero.
Oh, what?
The hobo sombrero.
There's a hobo sombrero. I'm gonna touch it with a stick.
Back the no swiping! Back the no swiping!
Making a
Back the no
YouTube.
swiping! Is that Chloe?
There's a sombrero.
We found a hobo! Give me that.
My stick.
I'm gonna throw it at it.
Oh, it's a sombrero.
It ain't no sombrero. This serious biz, man. It ain't no sombrero. It is a hobo dead. Hobo dead. ¡Hazte!
Vamos a un
Video. video para YouTube.
Ay, no, mi amor.
Sí.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Greek. Okay, so we're back to Samir's awesome movie. That's called a movie because I named it.
I'm gonna have to make this a 3-parter, so bye-bye.